but you know, say we too like play for this show. More no like. We too like play for this show. Even example of wetin I dey talk. We too like play for this place. I go just ignore you. So I go pretend like say I know they see you. I go just talk to the people where they listen to us. You now, you know they here. Welcome to Padi again today. Only me.
Hello.
Only Mayowa na dey on top this show today.
Hello.
Any other person where they here na invisible person.
Who they ask?
You know they here, but
who they ask? Hello. Hello. How are you?
Why you be introduction bumper?
Forget. You say now only you there here.
Only me did this show
I go
today.
introduce myself, ladies and gentlemen. You know what up? You know what's up? You know how you know. Oh fresh, oh clean, oh wonderful. That's what I say. I want to sing one song. You know, now the day is over.
Now the day is over. Monday morning.
Sorry.
No, Polo, what's your problem?
Sorry now. The day just start.
Monday morning. Day is over.
The day is bright. The heart fresh.
Oh, happy day. The day of joy. My eyes are blue. My eyes are blue. Oh, happy day of joy.
Mama jollof rice. Hey, you know the level. You are a package somebody.
All right, if you just join us again, the time never too wakana, just 35 minutes waka past 10 o'clock inside this better gantious Monday morning. And we day on top Padi or scarf, the level where we say we day here for now. We just pesh, to make everything splufic for everybody. We always talk this in problem whether this world too much. The problem in this world is a lot.
You have too much.
So we day here to make things better for you. Whether you like it or yes, hello, you doesn't have a choice. Simple and just.
All right then. How far now? How your weekend?
You know now.
I don't know.
You know.
I don't know.
Ogbi, you know.
I don't know.
You know as my weekend.
I know. You just say last week here. You dey sneeze. You are catering. You are doing everything. I don't know.
Well,
this you go do for the weekend.
This week, I know they sneeze. I know they catering. I know they anything. So that what means the last weekend, me take my time to go treat myself.
So you go to drink all those agbo and everything. They chop.
Treat myself.
Treat yourself. Now different type. Now you can treat yourself in different ways. You can treat yourself to a good life. You can treat yourself by drinking agbo. Different kind of treatment. Not be so. It's that so. Take you. You understand me now? So how you treat yourself? Explain more.
Ogbolor, we get video.
We get video. Oh yeah, now we'll sharply go run, watch this video. Just to make everybody mind just calm down. To start the show and everything. We get plenty gist. And one guitar boy will come play guitar for us.
Guitar boy.
When I don't go anywhere, when I watch this video, you know what? You don't kill me for this.
Aha! Doro bushi o. Àtúntò àrèrè doro bushi. Ẹ wo dọ́jọ́ sí bó ṣe ń fò lókè. Dr. Sid ti sá lọ sùúrù lérè. Èmi náà lò fọ́ tí wọ́n sàbẹ̀jì létí. Bọ́ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ Bello, ìwọ ló ṣe yìí tán. Doro bushi, wọ́n ti jáde o. Grab your copy now.
Voila. Hey, grab your copy.
And the thing where Doro Bushi go cut for this country. You don't finish.
Maybe me, I don't say the scene off key I sing just now.
All right, okay, make if I not too lost, we go just enter Yandiana. Be make we just give them the gist where they on top the matter.
Sharply.
Now, the one where they my mind, what I want give una this gist where they there. So Ogbiskalaska.
Mayowa.
Ogbiskalasko.
Mayozen.
Ogbiskalasko.
Mayolovzen.
191-year-old woman. Hello. Now so she just wake up after 11 hours for inside cold storage. Say she no die again. After doctors don't pronounce say yes, she have dead.
Now she stand up.
I'm telling you, for inside cold room, for inside cold storage, you know where they keep dead
now
people
they keep dead body.
Thank you. After like 9 hours, after they don't talk, say she don't pay me. Now the woman just
stand
hello,
up.
Hello,
I no die again.
No. The woman name na Jenia Cole Jenina Cole Kiel.
Just now, something. It's just something.
K-O-L-K blah blah.
Wait, now 91-year-old woman.
And they tell you something.
What do you want to live for again now? Mama, they go house now.
You know, say even the doctor talk say him been go her house, him been check her pulse. You know how you go check pulse,
check everything.
Say every symptom of say this person don't buy. That's what they do.
Well, maybe she still get mission on earth to see affect lives positively. 91 years old.
What
do you remain again?
The woman, they catch better sleep. As in, she sleep.
Which kind of sleep without when they look, you say all your pulse, nothing work again. They can't declare you dead. You can't see come back.
91 years old.
Just send Mama, go back to where you come from now. We don't do you minus already. You don't pull wheel for grant. You won't come back. Now can't create.
And they tell you this thing. Now, she did her house now as we speak. She did her house. They enjoy herself. They live her life normally.
This one now her life part 2 with this one. All right, as we come up for that particular gist, Mayowa.
What do?
Mayowa.
What do?
Mayowa.
What do?
Ask me what's happening.
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
For inside Brazil.
Yes.
One guy they call George Beltrao Negromonte, 52 years old guy.
Yeah.
Him, his wife, and one other baby wantity will be the guy they call for corner. The 3 of them, cannibal. They chop human beings, cannibal trio. They say they kill different people. And the reason why they kill people is to reduce world population. Can you imagine this kind of nonsense? 3 of them, see them for the screen. George, his wife will be Isabel, and his mistress will be Bruna. 3 of them kill different people. And they ask them why. They say that because they want to reduce world population. Who sent them a message? They said the last one what they can't do. They can't be one woman, say they won't give her a walk. Can't invite the woman come their house. As the woman enter, now the whole hey, come out in truth, via. Can't carry the woman body. They feed the old woman 1-year-old Pekin.
With him baby,
they can't train the Pekin to become cannibal so that one time go join the ministry to reduce world population. Why are people wicked?
No, this one not be wickedness.
This is now evil.
This one spirit.
Evil.
This one
spirit.
Better science, better inside bush science. And they tell you this thing. Because if you check them now, why you go look human beings say, okay, you want to reduce the population of the human beings? And you can't say the way you want to take population, the reduction of the human beings is to be shopping there.
They can't sentence them to the man himself. They can't sentence him to 23 years old for 23 years for prison. And the 2 women then 20 years for
why they're supposed to lock them up somewhere? Those people not well.
They're not well now.
They're not well. Hello. They are not well.
No, they're not well at all. They're not all right.
I don't get it.
And the thing is, say people like this come plenty for outside now.
Yes.
So as Mayowa did now, if they chop flesh now, I don't know until they are good. I don't feel they with them now alone. Wait, now just assumption. Now not the knack this thing.
If you talk any and I'll chop you now.
You see yourself? I be like you, Abi. I don't be like shawarma now. I are giving yourself a brain, no?
Meanwhile, hello, as some people they shop people say they want to reduce population. Now so some people they gather some kind of things for inside their body. Now this particular mankind is a man made of God mankind. In thought say in they spend close to about 100,000 pounds. 100,000 pounds. Now pounds they spend for London. Thank you. 100,000 pounds. In they spend on top live love dolls. Doll baby will be like the size of human beings. Plastic girlfriends. The man gets rich up to 240. He talks that they excite him, that they make him feel good. If they dance with them, if they have tea with them, if they do dinner with them, and his wife talks that she no mind.
His wife no mind?
Yes, say she no mind. Say in fact, his wife help him pick out in first doll.
Hey!
This thing what they tell you now.
So that means for the 2 of them now, who no come where?
My brother.
Who no come where? These the 2 of them not where?
My brother.
Plus the woman always say she no problem. Plus the man is say 2 of them not where?
Plenty unwell people did this world.
Right, and they just
but that's not why they fear you now. You know, say guess what this way they do now.
No, forget the kind where no well. The kind no well the way they bring money.
My brother. Talking about that money, things have happened. Talking about that money, things have happened. If you know what I mean.
But it never happened for my side.
My brother, it still don't happen for my side. Forget my patient. Last time patient, it's
they wait for the pium.
My brother, forget. Meanwhile, still on no cover, you know well.
I know.
Now somebody they buy the baby up and down.
Make I tell you something. For inside comedy world, if you come down from stage and they say, "Oh, more man, you know where." Now compliment. It means say you they try for comedy. Or they say, "Oh boy, you they craze." It means say man, you they try.
You know, so then how they tell us for this show say we know where. So therefore we they try.
But still on the matter, this particular 2 couple, no one get brain
none
at all. None. That particular man, na sickness be that too.
This thing not happen for Nigeria.
If it happen, we don't know. Now the one we know.
Hello.
If it happen.
Okay.
If it happen, no be Naija.
Okay,
now
it's
human
okay.
beings still there now.
It's okay. Anyone you say, it's okay.
But anyway, you make them go check the man. No life the baby for house.
I'm telling you this
no,
thing.
he has no rights.
It's no.
At all.
At all. Yeah.
And on a final level for my own child, you understand? I can't get this particular gist about this Ogbonge couple. Man and a wife, they did their own jeje. Along the line, the man can't go the love up another man for back. Yeah? Bam! He can later confess to his wife, say, baby girl, look, I don't love up another man. Instead, make the wife come, they phone vexing, she no vex, she say, bring the man come house, make we see how we take do everything. Yeah. As I the phone on the talk now, 3 of them now are couple, not even triple, not be couple. All of them now, they share themselves, they say they love themselves, all of them love themselves, they're a family now. All of them, they groove together, they shop together, they do everything together. Everything, they groove together. And the woman say she loved the two. The man say he loved the 2 men. The woman say she loved the 2 men. So all of them, you are living together now. Wait till they worry people for this war.
My brother, you see this thing where you talk so? We go break.
But we bad break by the time we come back.
Because I doesn't know what to say on top this thing you are saying.
At the end of the day,
break time, Biko, producer, Blix.
Mashing the break for you. Mashing the break for you. The word you are getting crazy.
Kapusku.
It's a Zublegest word now.
I'm telling you something. They don't think, you know, they don't think come on this.
The canopy, under the canopy, under the canopy of God. My Savior, we cover. Give me security. Under the canopy.
Under the cano, under the cano.
Ogbolor, you know what we're supposed to give them personal number. Special number. We even get guests, and the guests we get for this show. Just wait. After this laugh, we go just bring and na correct guest. But we won't give a special number, Ogbolor. Which song was it? Just one.
All of me, all of you.
Okay.
Yeah. So you go sing treble.
Okay.
I go sing tenor.
All right.
You understand?
Okay,
right.
wait.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
All of me,
all of me,
all of you.
All of you means the time I'm not the real baby.
Though, before we continue with our music, you tell me.
You know be royal baby. If you keep it like say one resemble those royal people them for John Donne. Those people Prince where he name.
All those
but no be you.
Then Lizzie, then Charlie.
No be you, no be you.
No be them.
No be you. This one if it be say now just one girl we just misdo with one boy come born you.
But you read the right for that place. You read the reading.
Yeah.
It's left to the audience to read it and enjoy themselves. Not checking.
All right, now on to the next. What timely?
On to the next.
Movement.
Maybe we see him.
Now school be this. What be this?
It's a gathering of.
Then they write your exam.
Now exam
under
they write
the
like this.
Under the mango tree.
If exam they be like this, inside Lagos, now for a stadium we go write that.
They tell you this thing.
Stadium.
We write that from stadium reach Shasha.
Imagine exam for stadium. As in how you want to take stretch. But recently for China, they catch people, they say that they use Bluetooth and stuff, they do cheating.
Before.
If you see their way,
Before.
Technology. They don't use and they cheat now for exam.
Before. I beg another one, Jare. Let's know what we're doing. Oh.
Chokasa.
Now drawing this thing. Now drawing this thing.
Now back of my head, now tattoo. This one now.
Now tattoo.
If they follow you, they smile for free for front.
I am watching you.
I'm watching you.
I am watching.
This kind of say you want to enter a house for night. You can't go see back of the head. You say, bros, no be now. I didn't mean it, so I just passing by. You come and wake me, you can't turn the real head.
Kilo Devai.
This one I say waiting.
Kilo Devai.
Is it bookie I reading? I be waiting. They chop inside the thing. Is it chopping inside the akpo? I be what is this one doing?
I bet they just put the video. Well, they breed them.
It's on a chat. They chat like this.
I don't understand.
Maybe they hide in chat.
I don't understand.
So yeah, make I hide and make my bonus wait till they talk to somebody else.
All right, okay. We go just take small waka now. Make we just shake body small. When we shake body finish, we show back on top the level.
Our guest
now still Padi. All of me wants home.
Oh yeah.
All the piece of mad red. All of your pussy in the peel. Oh, why are you like this?
This is what we call, this is football, anything can happen. In other words, no ginger, exclusive. Exclusive. This is what I call football, anything can happen. Let's go.
Fantasio, DJ exclusive, Fantasio, Fantasio,
Give it to them.
Fantasio,
Let's go.
Honorable Fantasio, Fantasio, intellectual non-coupa, Fantasio, Fantasio, I'm ready to give it to you all day, baby, why waste, no, they look face, exclusive, wine select, give it to me all day, baby, why waste, no, they look face, if you one of them, two of them, three of them, park well. If you one of them, two of them, three of them, park well. If you not plenty million, if you plenty, park well. If you not plenty million, if you plenty, park well. If you live in no time, no time, exclusive Fantasio, DJ exclusive Fantasio, we are everybody on Fantasio. Look at them. DJ, look at them. Cock it up, wind it up, slow down now, rhyme up. Energy tip on the dance, so you know say when it's dip on the beat, you know it's slack up. Killer with it, yeah. Killer with it, yeah. If you one of them, and if you two of them, if you three of them, now we match them. If you one of them, if you two of them, if you three of them, now we match them. If you one of them, and if you two of them, if you three of them, now we match them. Match them. Baby, no time, exclusive Fantasio, DJ exclusive Fantasio. We are everybody now, Fantasio. We are exclusive Fantasio.
Now, I need all my sexy ladies to come to the dance floor. DJ exclusive, about to take it to another level.
Exclusive. We are now, Fantasio.
Let's go.
Exclusive Fantasio.
Let's go.
All the fine girls Fantasio.
Let's go.
Elevate them Fantasio. She go down, watch as she go. She go. She wind down, she wind low. She wind low, she wind low. Me like the way she wind down low. Me like the way this sassy girl she wind down low. Oh yeah, baby, I say no joke so. You know say every chip on the microphone. Baby, my what you say. Oh yeah, baby, my what you say. What you say. Baby, my what you say. Big boy, oh yeah, Jano. Big boy, oh yeah, boss a friend. Oh yeah, follow them. Big boy, oh yeah, Jano.
You know, it's your main man, superstar DJ exclusive all day, any day. Terry G all day, any day. It's what we call this is football. Anything can happen. AKA, baby, you know. Tease I. Now drop. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
All right, now welcome back on top of the Padi show. You understand every since the beat, you know, if you hear this sweet melody for the background, you know, someone say, yeah, Padi, oh.
Oh, God.
Ogbolor
and
Mayowa.
Let me show you how to do it. Padi, yeah.
Show it. Oh, Father will worship you.
Padi,
Someone lift your hand and you're worship it.
He don't come.
Che, le. So I say to the end now. All right, correct people, they welcome now back on top of the show. Not everything they be inside the building already. We don't get our correct guy, our correct guest in the building.
Oh yeah.
I remember now I've been jamming now for the fresh, the fine, the every correct guy with the guitar. Hey, do be. When I jam now, welcome to do be. Hey. I go rap.
Oh yeah.
I want rap. I want to rap.
Rap.
I dey come.
Rap.
I want rap.
Rap.
You want to rap?
Rap.
Make I rap.
You
I still go rap. I go rap. I go rap.
Ebi kwasa
Via.
Shalabosh.
Ebi kwasa
Shalabosh.
Ebi kwasa
Oh, Father, we watch you. Oh, Lord, we give you all the glory.
Oh, God.
All the watching.
Eteruyo. N'Igbo ekele m unu.
Oh, Nigbo kwenu. Mekano. Rieno. Dubi. Correct. Freshest.
This guy show the sweet.
Dubi, hello. You get as I take greet my mail.
No start today.
Can you
respect Monday
Z?
morning.
Can you respect your Z? Give me your hand,
Anything
please.
which you want to do now,
No,
wash.
come on.
Now
Give
wash
me
it.
your hand. Give me your two hands.
Now your guy, they yarn you.
Lean forward.
Now wash, they wash you.
Okay.
They look. Now after the show, he go ask you for money. They look.
Scam, he pay you.
Forget it. Now go be ask.
You never sabi pretend for front of girls.
For waiting.
For front of
On
girls.
top of Padi show, anything
Pretend.
can happen. Anything can happen. Dubi.
Alpha.
Why don't they fat up?
What we do now?
And they find this flesh.
We dey find this flesh. We
they find it.
We dey
They
find
go
this
take
flesh.
on fan now for here. Now you go remain. Because me and Mayowa go don't hang for
And they
one.
say-
He never vanish like that.
Taco
My brother. How far now?
Come on, we dey try.
Correct. How the music and everything they be and every.
We dey try now.
Dubi, why Jinta?
Because now my wife be this now. We
Hey.
run a friend for long like this.
Dubi, as you say this thing to your wife like this now.
Show me which girl sexy past this. You know, see figure 8.
The figure 8.
Show me.
We can. Mayowa
Show
stand up.
me.
Show am. Let's focus on Mayowa now.
Almost. Why almost?
Mayowa.
Ah man, you remain small.
Since morning,
You go
Mayowa.
remain small.
You remain
You
small.
remain small.
For fun reach my guitar. Small thing, come out.
But as you say something be like say na idol worship now.
Because you can't love and pass
Eh.
it.
Not be read news of Igbo people when they love themselves. I love guitar and I buy first.
So that means you said you carry guitar put for house like this. Now come they rub the guitar, say baby, I love you.
This one are the G string.
Now wow.
All right, so let me say we call you here to come ask you, say what you they do, why guitar you, we just call you here, make you come play for us. Because now with you, we go take end the joke. So from now to the end of the
now
joke,
play
you go
things.
just dey play.
But before you do, go even play safe. Do be waiting they go on now. What's they happen now? See which project they on hand now? Waiting.
Plenty. I know say my one day aware of most of them. I just come back from my UK tour.
Correct.
Around, do a lot of shows, Stratford, London, Birmingham, a lot of places there.
Correct.
Which was a very, very big success.
I can imagine.
So now the hustle don't times 2 now as I come back Nigeria.
True.
You know, so by January we get plans to start officially.
Okay.
You know, they perform for here a few times and the fans still they hot. As they hot that time, so we not go fall their hand now.
At all. So maybe before you come out now, you all through your Twitter handle, make people for know how they will reach you. So maybe the year sharply before we end.
Well, my Twitter handle shall not be Jesus, so but just follow me at Dubilove, DUBIELUV. Then Instagram now official Dubi, DUBIE. So.
All right, don't forget to follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi. Follow us for there, we will follow you back and we will relate onto the matter. Okay, bros, let's go.
All right.
Move this thing.
We go see now tomorrow, Nothing they happen.
If you there for Nigeria, say a prayer. For Nigeria, if you there diaspora, say a prayer. For Nigeria, listen. Now so we go there, we go see that 24/7. No one can no pay. Our children they play. Empty belly, who Lord show us the way. We go send a picking go school, them go fail, them go blend, them end up in jail. Power holding our best friend because now only them remember send us mail. Nigeria they hello. Una not they fellow. Even say the country they way low. Una still they say low. Say our happiness is covered with the veil of sadness. Mighty men are still falling together madness. We are still falling all of gladness.